Have you ever faced the frustration of a clogged sink and wondered if there's a way to fix it without resorting to harsh chemicals? Well, today we're going to show you an eco-friendly and effective method to get your sink back to working order, using simple, non-chemical solutions that are safe for your home and the environment. First, let's identify the problem. A slow-draining or completely clogged sink can be caused by a buildup of debris like food particles, grease, or even soap residue. But don't worry, you won't need any chemicals to tackle this. Now let's gather the tools. You'll need a plunger, some baking soda, vinegar, a kettle of hot water, and a clean cloth. Step 1. Begin by removing any visible debris from the drain. Step 2. Pour a generous amount of baking soda directly into the drain. Follow that with an equal amount of vinegar. You'll notice it start to fizz. This reaction helps to break down the clog naturally. Step 3. Let the mixture sit for about 15 to 20 minutes to work its magic. During this time, you can heat up your kettle of water. Step 4. Once the waiting time is up, carefully pour the hot water into the drain. This will flush away the broken down debris and clear the clog. Be cautious with the hot water to avoid any splashes. If the sink still isn't draining properly, you can use the plunger. Finally, test the sink by running water to ensure it's draining freely. And there you have it, a clean, unclogged sink, all without the use of harmful chemicals.